Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a beautiful hatchback with European style, plenty of cargo space, and a wide variety of technology. Top this vehicle off. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.